Alright, still your guy Big Tank from Double South, and we'll start the tutorial now. Before we start now, I want to know one thing. For inside this tutorial, I go use on semantic grid framework to run the grid system for the tutorial now. I go to run them, and if you check my videos now, I already teach them before. I'll put the description now for the link there. I'll put link for the description. Sorry if I could talk rubbish now. I'll put link for the description where on our feed you still go see the tutorial how to teach this on semantic now. Then I see they use line on some now to do my icons. So just download the zip, then you extract them. I go show now the rest. So quickly my inside the code now. So I go open my editor for here now, which is Visual Studio Code. And you see do a color now. I already call this reset.css. I shown at that time now where they say they get them. I just shown for one video like that. Or might just come. If you come in now, you see reset.css. We'll see. If you enter this tool now, you see a Maya Web. Click on. You see how you can call this reset.css. So just copy everything maybe like CD for here now. Copy all of them, then save it for inside CSS file as reset.css. You don't run that stuff. So I enter my code now. So you see how now I first come and say reset.css then. When you unpack your semantic now, this on semantic grid responsive tablet.css now you go use. Then when you do the line on something, I see this line on some the CSS you go use. So I call on then I see they call my style. See I say my style now empty and my index is empty now. So quickly now move start. So what I go first do for here now, so I'll come here, I'll create div. So this div now I'll give them ID of parents. So it's quickly what I'll just say parents. So when I say parent like this now, the next thing I go do, you know what? More create. In fact, I already opened the website I want to now, so I open up for 3D Paint here. So at least we'll feed the reference until you see the one designer pass. So more just try to bring this model face come here, then the logo and the font now. More do this one first. So I'll come here now. I'll say inside this div of parents now. More create header. So the header, I'll create grid container. So grid container, then more do for the logo. So I'll say the logo. So I want to create grid 30. Grid 30. Then inside I'll just say H1. They put Agbava. So after I say Agbava now, I'll come down to this place. Now after the grid 30, I'll create another grid. Or you know what? More wrap this H1 here for inside class of logo. Like this. Alright. Now come here. I'll say grid 70. So this 70 now, so now there we'll put the navigation. So I'll just say nav inside the nav now. And mind you, I like to use Emmet and I already teach them before, so I'll see put this link for the description of this video now for you to see what it teach Emmet. So how many list items did there now? So if you come in, I'll get 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5. So what I go do, I'll say times 5. Then each of them now will get anchor tag for inside like this. So more just quickly now. You see the black mass for me now. So just come here now, just select here. Then I go put hash. So that one will click and I will not see that go anywhere. So the first one now, I'll say home. The second one, I could say gallery. The third one could be contacts. And this fourth one now, so I go use the font awesome now. In fact, more run this in first, most as it be. This here, we'll get Agbava, we'll get home gallery, then we'll get contact here now. Come on, see this thing again. Where? Okay. So after the contact now, I'll just see I. Then this I now. Also down I go see and where. I go break this anchor tag like this. You see So now you go put the I. So I dot LE. So LA now means line also. So first call the LA, give am space. You know this one now. Then after the space now you put the one you want to do. So the first one for them na search. So this first one na search now. This next one na all those breadcrumb navigation type of stuff. I think Navicon. So I'll come here. I'll say LA search. Then I'll just copy this code. I'll go paste down for here. Instead of search, I'll say Navicon. So more enter most that we to get now. You see now, it'll come aside. So quickly, more just most tie this thing now. So what I go do what I go do. I'll put this one for here. More. First, I'll say body, then I'll give the body background color. I'll say the background color maybe F white. Get one F white, I call F9. F9, F9, F9. Like this. We don't give an off white. Then I'll come here, I'll target the parent now. So I'll say div parent. And I say div parent now, I'm giving a height first. Height of like 1000 pixel. Then the background. So the background and an image now will be say URL. I already get the image down. So if I come this place now, inside now you see the image here and the image and a model 1 not in name. I already design our account on Photoshop. So come here. /, enter inside assets. Then enter model 1.jpg. Then the next thing I go do now, more just RCB first. More RCB, so I go know the next step we'll take. Okay. It sounds like the picture I show now, but it's too big for you now. We need to shift and make small now. See the way it's small for you now, so that's what we want to do now. So what we'll do, I'll come here, I'll say first I want me the background size now. Make contain. I'll say contain. Then we'll see first. We'll see again. Okay. In fact, I'll go inspect this element now. So I'll go monitor the D for this place now. So what I want to do now, so I want to use the background position property now. Take arrange this model right there now. So see the way this one push come up here like this now. So that's how good to be that. But before that one now, so for me to actually gauge and where I'll first for me cancel this one. For me to gauge and we might move first tie this one so that we'll feel gauge and because I want to make the thing this somewhere here so that this one now the get is now no go enter inside. It not go enter inside this font or sorry, not go enter the navigation for here. So what I go do, I'll go back to my code here. Go to the target now. With the target the H1. So what I go do, I'll come here, I'll say div parent the header. So the header now, I'm going to get one particular font now. So I'll say font family Mada. Mind you, this font and font I get from my computer rather than install. So if you define it install font now, go where you take get this guy font now. I go leave link now to where you see the font. So just check the description of this video. You'll see the link there for there. So I'll say make the padding of the head now be 60 pixel for top and bottom. Then maybe the left and right now maybe 0 pixel. You get. So the next one I go do now, I'll come here and I'll target the logo. That is the H1 this is the logo. So see logo H1. Then what I go do, I can say More transform the text now. Think now on a lowercase. Text transform. Lowercase. Which initially said now could be default now to say we no do any capital letter on the type. They made the font size be like 20 pixel. 20 pixel. Then made the font width be 600. 600. Alright. So I'll go by my browser and I'll see. You see an also. So now I'm going to work on this navigation now. So to work on the navigation now, what I go do? I'll just duplicate this one too now. Or delete all these things come on here. Then, instead of the logo H1 now, I'll first target the nav. So see, the nav now will float and go right. Will float and go right. Then, more leave on like this first. Will float and go right. So by now, that's supposed to float to go right now. Then we'll target the list items in our decided nav. Oh, the fuck up here just now. Alright. So ULLI, that is all these list items now where you see now, so now we'll target. So I'll say enter inside the header, I'll look for the nav, the same UL and the LI. Should you see the way the thing the line they go now so we'll not the float this one they go right now, with the float and go left. Then we'll see list style now none. So that will come out all those bullets there, let's see they're there for there. So this bullet then will come out. You see so that's the float now. So the reason why I say the float and go left if the float and come right. You see I see we just supposed to the end in this side and I got the start of front here now. So now we're supposed to float and go the left. You get it don't come out like this now. So now more targets the anchor tag now at the inside. I'll see duplicate this one now. I'll see A. And what I go first do, I'll see display block. Then text decoration will be none. And text transform mostly given lowercase. Font size like 15 pixel. Then two will do now. Font width. Make the font width be like 40 pixel. No, 600 pixel. Sorry. Now the padding now go be 40 pixel. That's padding left. Padding left. So it could be like 40 pixel. So they're not go join now. They go push it. They will push each other now from the left hand side. You feel me? So I go refresh now, and the same also will not get this thing now. So you see, see this one. See this one not bold now. Because that the A with the target will not touch this one. So do features going quickly now. So I'll just duplicate this one now. They will see inside the anchor tag now. ID inside now, then just target the font width for there. So if we go back now, it's supposed to set now. So this color now, I'm thinking that black be this now. So that I'll just do now, say we'll target the color, make the color be black, ash, FFF. Oh no, white, sorry. Ash 000 and be black. Alright. So we don't get this stuff now. You see, that it resembles small. So mostly I will take push this guy now, push and come here. So usually I do the push now, so now this background image now, so now this is how they push now. So to push on now, we'll go use background position to push on. So come here, I'll say background position, from the Y axis now, I'll push on, come back small. Or push and come back small. So I might say like 100 pixel. sorry, minus 100 pixel. So let's see. See now, the push and the go up now. In fact, mine is pet, so I'll do for you. So select this one, minus 100 pixel. So no, they count down. So I'll continue to push and the go up now. Or push them or no, it ought to go up. More leave for like 180. Then we need to push on here. So now I will say background position X. And more given that we'll do our more like 200 pixel. 200 pixel. Most with DFS. You see, okay. The home and this one is still near. So more like 30 join. More like 30 join first. That is 30. Okay. Good like this now. So I'll just copy this code down. And I'll go paste them for inside my editor like this now. And I'll shift and come back. Alright, so the same also. We don't get this part like this now. So get Agbafa. We get this gear for here now. Home, gallery, contact, then the search, and this other one also. So we don't do this part like this. You get. So you don't want to do now. So now we want work on this area where you see here now. So we want work on this area where you see for here now. So what I go do? I go make this slick where you see for here now. So yeah, I go make this slick now maybe H4. Then I go make this tranquility now maybe H1. Now I do an also the two I go wrap them for inside div title. That is this two now. They go do one div now title. Then this other one also they go do another div now content. Then this other one now the other div now column button. So quickly imagine enter the code sharp. So after the header here now so here, I'll come down. I'll create section. I'll say section. Then inside this section here, multi-grid container. So the grid container, I'll say grid 50. With 50, then title. So this title now, I'll go put that ish for now at the talk now, which is the slick. Then I'll come down now. I'll say H1. I'll say tranquility. So after this title now, I'll come down. I'll create content now. I'll say content. So this content, more give this one now once again. This one idea now, so I made it smaller. If it's H1, but I just say H5 just because I feel right H5 to I like. So I'll say this one be H5. This one a paragraph no man now. Paragraph, this one a paragraph. But you see I say that the equal, so one could be 50, one could be 50. So that I'll do now, just go in and I'll say H5, then wire. Then I'll create grid. Grid 50. Inside here, I'll put grid parent inside. Grid parents. Then I'll put paragraph inside. So the paragraph now, mostly the writer here. Who they in charge, the man in charge, or the people who say make it sit down for there. So I just type, I'll say who they in charge. The man in charge. Or the people we see make e sit down for there. Alright. So then a question. No, that's not one Sarah pass. So I'll duplicate this one. Then I need to give some good parents self. If this one self, I not really need that share, but I just like me did there. So I'll come here, the next word now they write here and I say this woman they look me so I back Gary when I never pee. So I'll type that word now. This woman, they look me so. I mind you, this word I just write me not be like content, not the that's Spanish why they write that time. So yeah, you know they trip me for body. Not like I buy Gary when I never pay. I be what the Gary work wosa. Alright. So more refresh most to get now. Alright. So get this one for you now. Then we'll get this guy for you. So what we do before we create all those buttons there, or more just create the button now, safe. See. Oh yeah, I made the button there now. So now we also want to enter CSS now. Just style now, style come out ground and sharp. So after this content now, so might give them space more than this here. So title, you see then content, now come down now. Then button. So set this button now. I know it's button. I'll just use anchor tag. Then I go style the anchor tag. So this one not go anywhere now. I'll just say hash. Then inside now i.le. So the first one are YouTube play icon with that. YouTube play icon. Why? Let's see. YouTube play icon. Why is on a Spotify? Ah yeah. LA YouTube play. I mind you, this is what they write here now. So if you come here, if you actually call search, as far as you get internet connection, if you say YouTube now, you see and see it show you now. So you click on, it go open the code where you need to paste. So exactly this code. Maybe I started using that before now, so I know what it is. I know it to come here now, correct? Because not every time I will get internet now. Now subscription they run also inside the worries. Not every time I will get internet. So if you just come here now, so if you copy and if I not get internet now, I make sure see I already crown for it now based on sharp boy so B now before the worry now. Alright, so we don't get this YouTube icon for you now. Next one now, I'll duplicate and I'll say Spotify. Alright, now. So most style make fresh like this. So quickly now, I'm going to my CSS now, and the first thing I go do now. I'll come down after this one. I'll say target the section inside this parent now. Target the section inside this parent. So based on how I go shift that thing come down here. I don't want to use padding. For this place. You see, I don't want to use padding. Okay, the CRCB now. CRCB too near here. So I go use position. I'll say position relative now. Make the top be like 120 pixel. Then we'll leave it like that. So I'll go back and move see. Alright, it's not come that small now. So more work on these things now. So the next one I go do now, I'll call my code and go duplicate. Now the runner now. Mind you, at the first control for this browser, for this text editor, if I hold that control, I hold that shift, I can press D, go duplicate the code on me. Show this here. That's actually the runner. So that be magic, a sense, euro. So I say div parent section now. Inside the section now, we'll get our title. So we'll target the title now. So the title now, what we first do, we'll see. Go back. We'll first transform the text now, maybe capitalize. Now say this first letter and a capital letter. It's slick here too. The first letter now see capital letter. So we'll transform the text into capital letter now. Then we'll give the font more than our normal font. So font family, we'll say mother, then text transform, capitalize. Then that H4 now it go too small. So we'll target now. So inside title now, we'll say target the H4, then make the font size. Make the font size be like 14 pixel. Font size 14 pixel. Then the next thing we'll go do, we'll view first, we'll see. Alright. So I'll go back to my code. I'll target the H1 now. So inside title now, target H1. This time H1 go big over. So my carry font now go like 70 pixel. Then font width, because I don't want to tick over now. We'll put on like 700. We'll see font family. Font family. Would I get some other more liver? I'll come here, I'll see margin button. Better I want push a corner over now. Margin button, margin button be like 30 pixel. So more refresh now, we'll see. Alright, but this text big, meaning we need to increase the font size. So my expect here now, so I'm not going to guess any. I'll come in, I'll select this one now. I'm going to increase the font now. What do increase now? Increase 90. But this font's far too. Now come here. I see font family Lato. Okay, not tiny fonts. So go use Lato. Then more shift this tranquility near this guy small. So that was just going, I'll see line height. Maybe the line height now be like 100 pixel. Okay. So line height 100 pixel. We don't get this. So I just copy everything for here now to override. What it be like say we already type for here before now. Alright. So we don't override now. So they say now so we don't get it on now. Sleek tranquility. The ear. Alright. So the next we'll go do now. We will work on this one now. So it sounds like the font small and this guy now be like it's not gray at the given here. Yeah, this one there now, this one there now. So what we will do, we will come this content now. Come here. My type small. Say div parents. Inside the section now I want to get the content. So the first thing we'll go do now for the content. And mind you, since we make this font family Lato now, so no need to put this one for here now. We'll just come for inside the H for here. Monos 9 getter. More go back, more see. It's still there like that now. So we'll come the content now. We'll say make font family for the content now. First, maybe mother. Then I'll duplicate this one now. Inside the content now, I want to target the H5 now, which is that wire already there now. So we want to target the wire now. We'll just make the font make small past this guy already is small. You see now? May just go back small. So we'll give this one 14 pixel before. So meaning we'll give this wire like 13 pixel. You get? So come here now, see font size now. Make the font size be like 13 pixel. So after I give the font size 30 pixel now, I'll shift down for the button small, may give allowance. So margin button now, may margin button be 5 pixel. Then we'll run and we'll see. Alright. But this color, I tell you, I said the color is change. So what I will do, go inspect, select, I'll just say color red. So that if we click on this red now, so we will actually bring out color picker for select. I'm click this one in the FS. Just I like this one so. Most select one. So if I click here now, so you see, if I click here now, I'll select. And mind you, this inspect element stuff here, all of them not be the same. As in, not be all of them not be the same like that, so, but the way Firefox won't be, it different from the way Opera and Google Chrome be. You get that it's not too far from each other. That's something be like say if you still understand based on IQ. And there's all of them the sharp people now, so I'm not doubting my intelligence at all. So I'll call this place now. I'll paste. Sorry. I'll say color. Then I'll paste this guy for you like this. Then the next thing I go do, we'll target the paragraph there now. So shift, duplicate this one. Paragraph inside the content. So what I go do, I'll see me the font size now, maybe 14 pixels. Then the font width, maybe 500. So more run, I'm gonna see. All right, they see an also. Should they see? So I see they near this one small. So we don't get this one also. So time to work on the button. So to work on the button, now what we go do? I'll come this place. I'll say more duplicator first. So after the content, we don't the target. In fact, not be content with the target now. We don't finish the content. So now I'll say target button. So inside the button now, if you see space D. So more just for margin top. Although if we do inside this content share bet, more uses button to be able to say now our code which will like that we go do. I'll be able to tell us soon face our turn again. But we land I already record the area. So margin top 40 pixels, then we'll see this thing well again first. I want to generate my mind now, so they come first. So margin top 30 pixels. Not target time. Just as this is correct, so see 30 pixels. When to 40 pixels. My inspect the element first, must see. Content. Wait. Title. Content. Button. Okay. If I select content now, sir. Overflow hidden. Alright. So this overflow hidden to make sure see all these ones now, sir. They're inside the appearance now, so that is all these things right there now. The wire and the paragraph now to make sure see they're inside here. If not put on, I not go work. So we'll just copy this overflow hidden now. We'll put over the content now. So come here. I'll put on here like this. Go back. Alright. It's one follow one for the God passer. Go there, God passer. We'll know who they serve. So after this button now, I go target the anchor tag. I'll target the anchor tag now. Then I go style them. So that I'll do, I just see text decoration first, maybe none. So that down the line that will come out. So text decoration none. And man look this again first, man see. Because now so we need to give we need to create padding around this thing. In fact, I'll call anchor style and first. So that I'm not to go back and front. So I'll target this anchor tag now. We don't use text decoration none. So that I go do. my first create the font. So I'll say font size. May the font size be 20 pixel. Font size 20 pixel. Then, in fact, 20 pixel like 30. And it's too big. 20, mostly 25. It's too big. We'll leave out for the 20 first, yeah. So font size 20 pixel. Then we'll do something now. Mostly the height. May the height be 15 pixel. Now see how. Then the width be 15 pixel. If I say background red now, the switch at the zone also. I'm gonna see the thing where I'll make the background make it be. You can imagine making it red. I get a reason why, because I want to make this stuff now, so this box now I made it round. Then if I go delete and come out, so definitely this background will last for you. I'll come out later. Then I'll come this place. I'll see border radius. I'll see border radius, radius. Then 50%. When you say 50% now, the thing will turn to perfect roundness. I'll put it like that now. Perfect roundness. Then you see, I say it's too tight now. See, I say too tight. What I go do? I'll give them padding. I'll say make the padding be like 8 pixel. That big now. When I say 8 pixel now, I'll come back. I'll say I want push this thing into the middleware now. So the display will be flex. Display will be flex. Then align items now. Align items will say center. Then justify content. If you don't understand this flex here, just enter inside my CSS tutorial videos. Then I already discussed this flex, so when I'm going to start with what I do for AMF and I watch up, because I don't know if he explain for this tutorial now. I don't know if he explain flex for this tutorial. I know always my subscription. I'm not gonna be big man. I know always my subscription at big. So what I go do? I go but it didn't go drop come down no. More come on this color first. I know wala. Go target her. I'll first put border black. Sorry. 1 pixel solid black. I'll come out of this things later. I'll share the target something. I'm gonna understand one thing. Then, since we target this one now, we'll just copy it. We'll copy it. We'll paste it for you. What I go do you see as he did after each other. So come here back now, we go make the appearance and maybe flex, which is this button also. So I'll come here, I'll copy this one. I'll paste it like this there, and I'll see display. No, I don't do myself. See me. I'll come here, I'll see display flex. I'll delete this one for you now. So I'll go back. This here. Share this here now. So if we come back now, it's there now. So one small space post there now. We'll tackle that space later. But for now, more the tackle, what if we tackle? So what I go do, I'll go target first side of the button now. So the first side of the button now be this first button now. So while the last side now have this other button. So I'll come here, I'll copy like this, or copy all of them like this. Colon first child. So the first child now go target only the first button for you. So when I target her now, I space on from the other one. Margin right like 10 pixel. Then border. Now that one will be the red now. 1 pixel solid red. 1 pixel solid red. Then the color to go see be red. In fact, I first target this thing first. I use color so that be soft. So paste on here. Then I'll see me the color with that same stuff. The same also. We don't get this one. So we'll do this one also. So to target this one now, let's see. And this color I will use. Oh, my use color. We use color. So I'll just copy this color. Go use them for there. So I'll duplicate this. Instead of first child, I will say last child. See, last child. Then paste this color here. So this one are the red now, this one are the green. So if we go back now, refresh, they say we don't get the button now. See now, we don't get this button for here now. So quickly now, because the video don't long go now, so what I go do? You see this when they come out over here now, so it's not supposed to happen. To tackle this thing now, so I'll come here. I'll see no repeats. See no repeats. You see how don't come out. We have to tackle that one. So now, if we hover now, the color is supposed to change now. So how would you run our pass now? What we go do? We'll see target the first and the last now. So we'll see more duplicate these two. Then for the ending now, we'll put hover effect. So to go we say by the time we hover, make their background color now. So maybe this red. That is, if we hover this one and the background color be red, then the color itself now could be white. Then the border color now, and you need to do the border color. More just target at first now. So instead of this color now, see FFF. Then background color now. So I'll delete this one right here. Then copy this guy. So more verse will get for that guy first. That is this first button now. So when I hover, you see I say they work now. It's too fast. So it's too fast now. So to do now, we'll do transition. So I'll come here. I'll see transition all 250 milliseconds easing out. Refresh. They see it does set. So I'm going to do the same for this button also. I'll go my code. I'll just copy this code here now. Then instead of this color now, I'll do this one. Okay. Delete this one. So refresh. Alright, seriously sweet. So thank you very much. Now I will stop this tutorial. We don't do a longer way, but at least we achieve something now. So we'll stop this one for here now, and the next video now we go finish now. So we'll do this one maybe like see rotate enter one side now. Then all these other guys that will go do. So you know how they be now. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, see tip see either for the side and business nobody you want learn as still be your lawyer boy Big Tank from Double South, and I go see you now for the next tutorial. Thank you.